In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to quickly put a book together in Smart Book Builder. So as soon as you log in and you want to create a book, you will click on the My Books tab and it will bring you to this page. Now if you've done other books, they will all show here, so you can edit and carry on and do whatever you like with it. But now we're going to create a new book. I'm going to call it My Demo Book and say create. You'll then get to this page where we have all the categories, and you'll see that there are drop downs, so you can go and find whatever you're looking for. In this case, we're going to do a coloring page and a coloring page book. So let's go and find something that we want to use. What shall we do? We shall use maybe say abstract. Right, and then you will have all your options here, and you will see at the bottom if there are more, you will always have the option to load more and they will appear there. But for now we're just going to choose a few here and say add to book, add to book, add to book, add to book, and you'll see as soon as you add it to the book there's a little tick mark to show you that you have added them. And we'll just do these. So we've got 15 and let's add a few more. And there we go. And as soon as you've ticked all of them, you go back to My Books. And now you'll see it shows you that you have 20 pages. Now if you're going to use it as printables, it doesn't matter how many pages you have, but remember, if it's for KDP, you cannot have less than 24 pages. So in this case, we're going to have to add more pages. So what we'll do is we'll just go add pages, and we'll come back here, and let's go and find, say, something that is in line with what we already have. What did we have? Abstract. We had abstract, yes. Okay, let's just go, sorry about that. Let's just go and do something miscellaneous. Right, so there we have some miscellaneous things, and we'll just add a few of these to our book just to make some extra pages. And let's say, there we go. We have 5 more pages. You'll click back on My Books, and you'll see now you have 25 pages. Now what we normally like to do is we like to add a thank you and this book belongs to and a copyright page. So we'll quickly go and do those. And we have some generic miscellaneous inserts here that you can use. Well, let's go do a My Book Belongs To, and we'll just use that one. And then we'll go to a thank you page, and we'll use that one there. And then we'll go to our copyright page, and we'll add that. Then you go back to My Books, and you'll see now we have 28 pages, and we can go and view them. Now just a quick note, if you are a gold member, you can upload your own pages. So for instance, if you wanted to add more specific of a specific theme, here you could, if you wanted to add your own copyright page, your own thank you page, your own this book belongs to page, you can do that. Now as you can see here, we have everything that we've uploaded. Now these are in the wrong order because we want our copyright and our book belongs to page right at the front. So what we'll do is we want our thank you page last. So our very last page is, we'll just click and open there. And we want to make that one number 28, your last page, the thank you one. And then we want to take the book belongs to, we'll make that page number 1, and we'll do the copyright page, we'll make page number 2. So let's just go back down. Sorry, my machine is old and slow. We'll do copyright page number 2, and it will take it to the number 2 spot for us. And now you'll see that your first page is this book belongs to, your second page is your copyright page, and then you have all your other pages as you added them. Now if for any reason you want to take one out, you don't want it anymore, then you can just click on delete. If you don't like the order that they're in, you can decide on what page, in what order you want them, and you just change the page number and it will go in that order. And there you have it, your book is ready to download. So all you do now is you click on download, and it will ask you what size, so it's 8.5 by 11, and we don't have, well, you can include page numbers if you want, but I don't want to. We don't have puzzles, so there are no solutions. You'll just say download, and it will download it to where you normally download your stuff. Mine is my desktop, and you'll see there's my book name, the date it was created, and a system number. Now should you want to change this, you can, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now and just say save. And then we can close here. We can just minimize that and see here is our book, which we're going to open then just to check it. And there we have our KDP ready, print ready book that you can upload to KDP with your cover as is. Or if you want to, you can upload it to Etsy or one of those places as a PDF. And you're ready to go. So we'll just close that, go back to Smart Book Builder. And just another thing I want to show you, if you go back to my books, you will see here that it shows cover template. So what you can do is you can pick your size, and the system knows that you created 28 books, 28 pages. So if you click on here to get the template, it will give you the template for the correct size for your cover. So all you need to do is click on there and download it, and you can use that to create your cover, and everything will be perfect because you will have the exact size for your cover according to the number of pages that you've got. And I hope that helped, so you can see how quick and easy it is to put together a book in Smart Book Builder.